Good evening and welcome back to the second project, the second experiment exercise on database. Now we have a question. See our second question. It says populate all records for the table we just did in the previous video and all that. So I'm going to answer each of these questions. All the commands as usual are in my notepad. Now to populate all the tables, these are the commands that I used. Insert into table name values, insert the values. Insert into table name values, insert the values. Okay, I'm going to open my SQL now. Okay, so you can see these are all the so for each table we are going to look at each table to make sure they are populated. So using select star from our first table is customer details. Okay, you can see that. A minute. Okay, you can see that is the customer details. Now let's copy this. This is the first table that I populated using the insert command, insert into command, car details. You can see that this is populated too, and car booking, I think this is the tables we created in the previous video. You can see this is populated too. Okay, you can see this is looking like our previous question, and the last ones, I think price details. Okay, so that's that. So the second question, copy the customer details table into a new table called cost info. Now for this, first thing you do is you create a table that is exactly like the table that you're supposed to copy from. Now I use this to create a new table called cost info. It's exactly like the other table. Okay, let's look at the table. It's exactly like customer details table. Let's describe our table. You can see that it's exactly like the customer table. Now after doing this, the next thing you do is that you give this command, insert into cost info, select star from customer details. This command copies all the details from customer details into this cost info table using two major commands, insert and select star. Insert into actually table 2, select star from table 1. Okay, so that's the command. So if I select star from cost info, you can see that all the details of my customer details table have been copied in. Okay, I've done that already. So what's the next question? The next question is display the distinct name of the customer. To display the distinct name of the customer, use this command, select first name, last name from cost info. Okay, if you come here and paste it and run it, the distinct name of the customer is Alexander John Matthew Peter Priyadishini S Radik Ram Mohan are displayed. Okay, now the fifth one, list the reg number of car which is green in color. List the reg number of the car which is green in color. How do you do this? You do select registration number from car details. You have color is equal to green. Copy this using this command. Okay, and it lists the registration number which color is equal to green. Now you have to understand that in this particular exercise we are using the DML commands, data manipulation language. Unlike the DDL which alters the structure, the DML manipulates the data. So you use the DML to manipulate the data in the table. It does not affect the structure. Okay, now you've seen the registration number. Okay, next one, create a save point. To create a save point, you do this save point S1. I've created that already. You create a save point, and then to roll back to the save point, you use roll back to save point. Here are the commands: save point S1 and roll back to S point S1. Okay, now creating a save point means that when you create a save point, it saves to that extent. So whatever you do, you can roll back to that particular save point, and the changes to that particular save point are still saved. Okay, so what next? Update the table luxury car as first class in car table. Okay, now this is a bit tricky. Using the update. Okay, so notice this: update price details, set car type is equal to first class. You have car ID. So I use two functions. I use three commands: update table name, set column name is equal to expression. Yeah, column name 2 is equal to some data. Okay, so this is basically how to update the table. Okay, so you see update, set, where is another very important. You have to add where. If not, everything is going to be messed up. Okay, so these three commands are very, very important for that question. Okay, what's the next question? The next question is remove the records for the registration made in the current date. Okay, the question is, I forgot a question, particular question. It says show the registration for the current date in the booking table. Okay, and that use the select registration dates from customer details, where registration date is equal to sysdate. Sysdate is known as system date. Sysdate is equal to current system date. It returns current system date. Okay, so when you do this, but the problem why I can't show it in my table is because none of my, as you can see, none of my registration date is in the correct system date, so it will be an error. But this is what you use to do that. Then now we come to the question where I skipped. Remove the record for the registration made in the current date. You use the delete. Delete from customer details. Your registration date is equal to sysdate. Okay, you got that. Now we have done that. Transaction rollback to save point S1. Okay, now the last question is a bit very interesting, the most interesting question. Display the luxury car annual income along with car type from price details. Now what I did was that is the command I used. I know it's a very long command, but I used it. Okay, let's do it. I did select. See the question. Question is along with the car type. So anyone that is luxury car, along with the car type from price details. Okay. First of all, I think we should change this back to. I think we should okay, let me do something so it will be easier for us. Okay, so this is what I want to do. Let's change it back to luxury car. Okay, update price, they set car type to is equal to 101. Run. That is equal to 105. Okay, so all our price details now. Okay, so these are price details now. Now the question is that we should display the annual income for the company for luxury cars. So it needs annual income for this, annual income for this with the car type. Okay, so this is the command I used. This command, select car type, 365 days in a year times base price per day, which is this, as annual income. So this appears as annual income from price details where car type is equal to luxury car. Okay, and when we run it, we have our answer. Thank you for joining me again. I'm Chukwuka. Catch you later. Bye.